Okay, so for tonight's homework, you're going to go to the www.ixl.com website. That's the site that we've used before. You're going to come on over here to sign in and put in your username and your password and sign in. Okay. And then you'll come to this page. You want to scroll down to where you see algebra skills, and it says see all algebra skills. Then you're going to scroll down towards the bottom where you see systems of equations. We did U1 last time. Today we're going to do U2. So you want to do U2's solving a systems equations by graphing. So you're going to click on that, and hopefully it should come up. So it tells you to solve the systems equations. First graph the equation, then type in the solution. Okay, so here's the graph, and here's my equations. I'm going to click on this one because I want to graph this one. So I have y equals, and then you know this is mx plus b. So I want to start with b, my y-intercept. So I'm going to take my cursor and put it up on 3. And then my slope is 7, 10. So I want to go up 7 and over 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then over 10 puts me here. Then I click that point, and it graphs the line for me. So you have to have 2 points. You have to do the y-intercept and then the slope. Then you have to click this box to click the second line and to graph the second line. So my y-intercept is -4. So I'm going to click my cursor at -4. Then my slope is 7 over 5. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and click right there. And now I have my, I've graphed my 2 points. Then it asks you to find down here the solution. And you should know the solution is the point that they intersect at. So I need to figure out what this point is. This point is 10, 10. This is the solution, the intersection point. So down here I'm going to type in 10 and 10, and then go down to hit submit. And then it'll tell me excellent, good job. And then we're going to go on to this type of problem. Now hopefully you remember when it says x equals 8, that means I go on the x-axis and it's 8 on the x-axis. Then it can be any other number because this is going to be a vertical line because all points have 8 as the y-coordinate. Then I click this one and my y-intercept is 6, so I go up to 6. And then my slope is -5 over 8, so I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over +8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click there. And then the intersection point is where they cross, so that's going to actually be this point right here, and that is 8, 1. So I'm going to put in 8 and 1 and roll down to submit. And I did a great job. And so you're going to keep doing that, and just like last time, I would like for you to do 15 of these and do your best. And make sure you understand the -5 and the 8 over 5. Do not use a calculator for this activity. All these are in slope-intercept form, so you should be able to graph all of these, okay? And if you get there and you, let's say, put it on the wrong point, you can very easily just click again and then click the point that you didn't do correctly, and then you can move it. Okay, so like this one is at -4, it should be at -5. So I can click this and move it down to -5. And then if I want to move this one, I click this one and move it around. Okay, so 15 problems on the IXL website tonight. See you in the morning.